I'm back with something entirely different. So this just came in the mail today, and as you can tell, it's got the smiley face on it, which means it's from Amazon. So let's see what's in here. Okay, the first, looks like I got the first of my order, and this is the banjo book that I got. It's Banjo Prime for Beginners Deluxe Edition by Jeff Holwald. I don't know if you can see that. So it's supposedly for beginners, as the title would say, and it does come with a DVD instructions. I don't know if I'll watch that, but it also has CDs. That's pretty neat in it. So yeah, I'll have to take some time to go through this book, and I'll take you guys along with me as I do it, and we'll see just if I can use this book to maybe play a song on the banjo. And also in the bag is what I was looking for the most, or yeah, I guess I'm looking for everything the most, huh? Just my nature, is the bag of picks. And these, let's see if I get the little bag open. And so these are the little picks. I don't know if you can see those. So you got, there's looks like 2 finger picks here, and then actually 4 finger picks and 2 thumb picks. So, and I got them in size, I thought I put size large, but they came size medium. So it looks like it still fits. So I could have sworn I bought the size large. I'm beginning to think that from the way they fit, it looks like I got the correct size. I don't know which way to put them. I bet in the manual that it goes that way or that way. But I bet the book I got probably explains which way to use the picks. But anyway, so first shipment came in. I'm gonna do a primer on reading the book and size up these picks, and hopefully in the next video I'm gonna try to play something, or at least do the first lesson in this book. So remember, if you want to continue to watch me stumble through this, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and click that bell notification if you haven't already, and you'll be notified the next time I try to play banjo poorly. Till next time.